We are from the team Code Like a Girl.
And we believe that prevention is better than cure,
That's why we come up with a unique idea of health counseling website.
which connect health counselors and experts to the women's.
This hackathon was really a great learning experience for all of us.
Where should I start? It was an amazing win starting from teaming up with girls from different centers, deciding common goals, and actually implementing all the things we have decided during the scrums. But the overall experience was good, and I would like to thank each and every member involved in this hackathon. Thank you so much.
Right from choosing the problem statement to till giving the final presentation, we all were in sync. Even though it was a virtual hackathon, we all enjoyed working together as a team. Yes, there were several challenges, but still we all had that never giving up attitude. Overall, it was an amazing experience. Thank you so much for this wonderful opportunity.
I'm glad that we are first runner-up in Catathon 2021. Firstly, I would like to thank all my teammates for making this possible and our team mentor Kirti Godra for all her inputs and guidance which helped us a lot. I would also like to thank Catalyst team for organizing this event. We learned a lot and had fun during this event. Overall, it was a great experience.
Firstly, it feels special to be the first runner up of Catathon 2021, and this Catathon was more about learning than winning for us because we got an opportunity to learn about new things, and the platform that we were working on was very new to us. And one more thing is we got to know how working with a team feels like, and we got to learn from the other team members as well. So this catathon was a wonderful journey of learning for us. Thank you so much for providing this opportunity.
I'm Monica, and I'm really feeling good to be the winner team of a hackathon, and that's one of the first hackathon which I've taken part in, and that was so amazing, and I learned a lot from people in our team.
I'm Snehal, the leader of our team. And yeah, I'm completely agree with Monica R. It was great experience working with the teammates from cross center, cross batch, and cross domains. And about our idea and our project, when the catathon started, it was just a rough idea, and we also surprised like how we have implemented that. Like it was a really great effort by our team. And about the catathon organization, it was really smooth and like time to time updates. Then the complete management process was really very good. And also about the evaluation, it was completely transparent. And yeah, we were happy with the final decision by the jury.
They started announcing from the third place to first place, and when we were not announced until the second position, we were like we are not the one who are winning the hackathon. But yeah, then they announced the winner position, and we are the winner. So yeah, it was very much surprising.
Last but not the least, I would like to thank Catalyst, then mentors, then judges, and everyone, each and everyone who was involved in all the process, right from arranging to then ending ceremony, and took so much efforts to be uh, to become a successful event of this hackathon. Uh, and we are happy to be part of this and as a winner. So thank you, Catalyst, for giving us an opportunity.